Hey everyone, happy St. Patty's Day. Rich here with the Fireplace by Magic Touch in downtown Mesa. And I recently had a thing where I try to upload some videos to Google. And they were inside our showroom and they rejected all my photos for some reason. So I'm gonna make a video for St. Patty's Day, just kind of cool. I got a bunch of fireplaces set up in there. I got all of them turned to green flames, green ember beds, green downlighting. And I'm gonna send this to Google and show them this is real photos inside our showroom in Mesa, Arizona. So here we go. First off, Google, you can see fireplace signage everywhere. The fireplace, by appointment only. Check us out, NFI certified hearth design specialist on staff. In the front, we got the Magic Touch offices, but we even have some fireplaces up in here. If you don't know, Magic Touch is the mother company, HVAC company of the Fireplace, and all the cool stuff is in the back here. Right up front here though, we have a Modern Flames Orion multi-linear. This guy is a 76-inch linear fireplace with real wood log sets in honor of St. Patty's Day. I got the ember bed turned to green. I got flames green. Normally I like to see them all in orange, but hey, that's one of the cool things about electric fireplaces is all the options you can have in the way they're displayed. Another guy, the Modern Flames Orion Traditional. This is the traditional shaped version of that guy. As you can see, we got green downlighting on real wood logs, green ember bed uplighting, and green flames in honor of St. Patty's Day. Notice what we have happening here. Google, I'm inside of our showroom. All those pictures that I submitted, here it is. This is all our real stuff. But I'm also making this video for the people. So everyone, we have here a Napoleon CLEARion Elite. I have it set up with a green ember bed. You have multiple colors to choose from. What's super cool about this guy, right now we can see that it's see-through. I'm gonna go ahead and make a change for you, watch this. It goes completely opaque. So if you wanna have it on two rooms, in the wall between two rooms like we do here, you can have complete privacy, or you can make it see-through. Notice too, black trim on this side and stainless steel trim on this side. So a lot of options. 2x4 wall, or excuse me, 2x6 wall, 2x4 wall, or 2x8 wall. We got this in a 2x8 wall. All right, over here, Modern Flames Landscape Pro Multi, set up in a bay configuration in acoustic slatted wall panels that are, I believe, 14 feet floor to ceiling here. Another one I got set up with green flames, green ember bed, green logs, green downlighting on the logs, I should say. The logs aren't green. Check out that color wheel on this guy. I'll show you real quick. What the heck? How cool is that? Changing on the fly, changing intensity, the brightness, flame speed, everything. Modern Flames Landscape Pro Multi. Really cool fireplace. All right. Another Modern Flames unit. This is the Modern Flames Orion insert. A traditional shaped. I got it on green, and green. And you can change the flame patterns, the flame speed, the flame color. I don't know if you can hear this, but it's crackling. You can change that crackling sound volume, 3 different levels. This guy is meant to be inserted in a wood fireplace chimney or to replace a gas fireplace. All right. Over here, this beauty is the Dimplex Ignite XL Bold. Another one we have set up as a bay installation, 3-sided. It's got these cool crystals that it ships with and a lot of versatility in this guy. You can make it modulate colors. You can set up a prism effect. Right now we have it on a green ember bed with green downlighting and orange flames. that are going kind of quick, but you can change those flame colors, flame speed, flame pattern. Over here, we have its little brother, the Dimplex Ignite XL. And right now, we're gonna wait for it to go back to green. We got some pink and blue going on. This is that modulating setting that I was talking about, where we can watch the colors kind of just slowly shift and change. Here we go, green in the center. Now we got kind of orange outside, and we're shifting to some blue. Super, super cool fireplace. Very popular. This guy is only single-sided in a wall like this one. Doesn't have the ability to be three-sided or two-sided like the other ones, but great option. Let's look at a couple more. All right, the Modern Flames Spectrum Slimline. This guy is a 60-inch, so 5 feet long. We have it in a 10-foot by 8-foot tall media center. That is a 60-inch TV on there. So you can see you can get a pretty large TV on there. We just put an 80 on one of these the other day. Comes in a bunch of different colors, and you can get it with this Modern Flame Spectrum Slimline. Again, green, 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 in honor of St. Patty's Day. Or you can get the linear version of that guy up there in a slim, and that can go in there as well. And obviously, green, green, green. You can change it to whatever colors you want. All right, over here, Modern Flames Redstone. Traditional shaped, can be an insert or brand new fresh cut. I have it on green ember bed, green flames with the lit log set on, a nice orange glow. I think the camera might not do justice to the greens, but by the way, I should say all of these flames we've been looking at today, I would describe as like a Kelly green, like a nice deep green, shamrock colored green. I don't know if it does it. Let's just do an honorable mention. What the heck? This is the Dimplex Revillusion. It doesn't change colors. This is what you see is what you get. What it does incredibly well is mimic a real wood burning fireplace. And it does that by that screen in the middle, casting those flames between the logs. It's 12 inches deep, super, super realistic looking electric fireplace. If you haven't seen one in person, come on down, make an appointment to come see us at the Fireplace in Mesa. You'll dig it. All right, I got a couple brand new, just came in, still on the ground, no media sets, no media in them yet, no glass on the front. Those two obviously aren't set up to green. And this looks blue to me in the camera, so we'll see what it looks like when I display it, but it's very bright green on here. This is the Napoleon Entice, and it can be a wall hanger or it can be recessed in the wall. Kind of cool, comes in a couple different sizes. All right, so I'm not going to show you any gas fireplaces today because this was about St. Patty's Day. This was about being able to produce green flames and green ember beds and green downlighting, etc. in honor of St. Patty's Day. So I shot this video just for that today, just to wish you guys all a happy St. Patty's Day. Do me a favor, check us out, subscribe, give this video a like, give us some love, and if you're interested in a fireplace, make an appointment, come on down and see us. If you need to repair a fireplace or just want some maintenance, we do it all, gas, electric, you name it. Check us out online at thefireplaceaz.com. Thanks everyone, happy St. Patty's Day.